Okay, so this is what we've got here. Instead of a piece of paper, we used plastic so that you can see through it. There's a little coil here, and the copper inside of it is coated. But it wraps around a whole bunch of times, and that was the hardest thing to figure out, was the size of the copper wire. It has to be really, really small. So it basically, when the electricity comes from these wires that are hooked up normally to just regular speaker drivers, it would flow in between them, and it makes a magnetic pulse through this coil, which attracts it to these little magnets down here. So it pulls it down, and that makes a vibration in this plastic or paper or whatever you want to call it, to move it and make a vibration that creates the noise that you hear. So, and we've got these little foamy things just to reduce all of the buzzing that it was originally making around the outside, but it's actually pretty simple. It turned out, it took quite a while to figure out how to get the right ohms out of the wire, and ultimately it just came down to, you have to have something super, super thin. But once you have that super thin stuff, it's actually pretty easy to make something like this. And there's still a whole lot of options that we can do from here to be able to tweak it and make it sound even better, and almost makes it sound like an actual speaker that you could buy on the market. So this, coming from basically a cell phone and just a little Bluetooth board from a speaker. And here's our typical test. So this is Marble Machine X. You can hear even the lesser noises. Okay. If you watch in the reflection of these plates, they will ripple, especially as the bass kicks in. So and you can get them really rocking on some of these, but for this right now, it's actually more quiet than I'm used to actually hearing from these. But I mean, you definitely get the idea. It's good quality. Usually these the bass on these things is pulls so hard that this thing is about to just jump right off. But there it is. Fun project if you ever want to put something together like this, just to learn how it works.